We're having so much fun. Wait a second, it's starting to rain. Well, that sucked. What do you want to do now?
You want to do some rainy day activities?
Sure.
You want to do a board game?
Sure. Well, that sucked. What do you want to do now?
How about we shoot each other?
Okay.
Maybe we should do something else.
Okay. Let's do something else.
Let's lift weights.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're lucky. You get to use these light things.
I know.
6.
You just use those heavy things.
You want to switch?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe we should just go outside.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you later.